Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Ksenia Ernst, your personal stylist, and I help women to look and feel beautiful. Today I want to share with you how I shop with my clients, my step-by-step process, so you don't waste your time, money, and energy and do it smart. Alright, let's get into it. First and foremost, what is the goal for your shopping? When you go and look just for anything, you end up browsing around, being frustrated that there are so many options but actually nothing to pick, or you end up buying something that you already have in your wardrobe just because we tend to go for something that we used to, that we're comfortable with. It doesn't end up bringing you any more outfits to your wardrobe or any versatility, so money wasted. I know this step seems like it's lame, but it doesn't take long, and just think about it and think about your goal. That will help you through the whole process. Step number 2 is a wardrobe revision. I actually want to make a separate video on how to make a full wardrobe revision, but you're probably not going to do a full wardrobe revision every time you go shopping. But what you definitely need to do is think about your go-to items. Pieces that you love, pieces that are always in your rotation. After you pick your go-to, identify your gaps. Maybe you have a lot of bottoms but not enough tops. Maybe you love wearing blazers but actually have only 1 or 2 that you wear. Maybe all your outfits look kind of the same and you need something to break it up, more statement pieces, accents, or color. Or maybe you're just in need of some details that will make your outfit pop. Maybe some shoes, accessories, a long coat. By the way, I have a video how to look stylish and put together, and I think it will help you to understand what details you might lack in your wardrobe. It's best to write down those gaps and what pieces are you lacking. It will help you to stay on track and not just browse around. Next step is mood board. Go on Pinterest and get inspired by what's out there. Look for a mix of colors, mix of textures, some details, some overall style and vibe from the picture. Don't focus too much on particular outfits and particular items. What you can also do is take an item from your existing wardrobe or from your list and look for outfit ideas with that item. Plaid blazer outfit ideas or black slip dress outfit ideas. That will give you more ideas with items that you actually have or are going to buy. Once you added some pictures, it doesn't have to be many pictures, try to analyze them. What kind of style, what kind of vibe is going in all this mood board? Maybe all outfits that you picked are casual and comfortable, or you tend to like more put together looks, or there are a lot of accessories in all the pictures that you selected. Maybe there is a color palette that you tend to gravitate to. Here's an example of my inspiration board. You can see a lot of white, light, cream tones, total white looks. I also liked a lot of earthy tones, beige, brown. All the colors are solid. There is not many patterns here. Also, there's a lot of looks with leather and some red accents you can see here. Usually I'm not big fan of short skirts, but this time I really liked some suits with short skirts, and my attention drawn the combination of blue and brown. All this pre-work will get you on the right track, and you will notice pieces from your list in the store and the color palettes and those mix of textures. You'll find yourself finding them visually in the store, and that will help to make your shopping more productive and enjoyable. Do we have any candies?
Nope.
No candies.
Why don't I just come in and give you a nice kiss?
The last step of your homework is the budget. I know we all think, well, it depends on the piece, if it's really worth it, I'm ready to spend more, or maybe it's on sale. But I find that the budget keeps your priorities straight. You have a budget in mind, how much you're ready to spend. Then you need an approximate average price that you're ready to spend for each of the items from your list. For big items like shoes, coat, or blazer, you would attribute a little more money. If your budget is not covering all your items in the list, this is when the priorities comes through. Okay, I'm not gonna look for another pair of jeans. I'm gonna focus on a good blazer and fun shoes. And this is what helps you to understand, like, I'm not gonna even spend spend my time, energy, and money on all these other small things. I better focus on my big items, or the opposite. I actually have those statements and I just need some basic tops to rotate them. I want candy.
Oh, I like candy.
Don't have any chocolate?
No?
When in store, I always start my shopping with the bottoms, because bottoms is something that we wear over and over again and just changing up the tops and layers. I find it best to first buy some bottoms and then find the tops and layers that will mix and match nicely with those bottoms by style, by colors, by patterns, and this helped me to get more outfits from less amount of pieces. If you're looking for some statement pieces, try to look for them first as well. Whether it's a trendy leather pants or a funky blazer or cool shoes, this will help you to give a trend for your shopping. My last and the most difficult tip is to stay on track. Stick to the plan. You will be pulled into many directions once in the mall. Doing this will increase your chances for successful shopping and will help you develop some good habits for your next shopping trips. Share your shopping trips down in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.